Hi, I'm Adam.
And I'm Andrew.
And we're with InsuffleX. It is estimated that nearly 5 billion people in the world today do not have adequate access to surgical treatment. Imagine that you're an immigrant worker in rural China and you get sick and require surgical intervention. The closest hospital may be 100 miles away, and the only way that you can get there is by foot. As a result, you can see that there's a lot of people in the world today that do not have appropriate access to surgical treatment. Here at InsuffleX, our plan and our goal is to improve that access. This is our team. It's composed of 3 medical students, 2 engineers, and 1 master's in health administration. Our focus is on insufflation, which is the act of blowing a gas into a body cavity and is used in laparoscopic surgery to view inside the abdomen. The opportunity in laparoscopic surgery is massive. There's nearly 7.5 million laparoscopic surgeries performed each year, but 90% of them are in Europe and the United States, which allows us lots of potential to move into foreign markets. Barriers to move to global market are cost of equipment, the bulkiness and massiveness of the insufflation devices currently, and their unfortunate reliance only on CO2.
The devices offered currently feature airflow rates of up to 45 liters per minute, mandatory safety features, and other proprietary and optional convenience measures. The problems with these are, as Adam mentioned, the cost, the bulkiness, and the CO2. But another problem is lack of specificity when something goes wrong. At InsuffleX, we've developed the PALI device to solve all of these problems. Our device is portable, it's affordable, and it does not require CO2 to operate. On top of that, our patent-pending safe air technology allows surgeons to see what went wrong and when. Safe Air is a software that alerts surgeons to oncoming respiratory complications that occur in up to 15% of laparoscopic surgeries. These complications are time sinks and require the surgery to stop while the anesthesiologist figures out what went wrong and how to fix it.
Not only does Safe Air reduce risk to the patient, it also has immense saving potential. It is estimated that 1 lost minute in the OR leads to about $100 lost of income. With nearly 4.8 million laparoscopic surgeries occurring in the US each year, with an estimated 5% of these having delay due to respiratory muscle dysfunction, that's nearly $168 million lost each year alone. If a hospital buys into our feature of Safe Air, they could potentially gain, with nearly 32,000 ORs with laparoscopic surgery, that they could save nearly $26,000 each time, and optimize efficiency, which would allow potential add-on of more cases, potentially netting a hospital $106,000 per year. Recovered OR times overall could translate to nearly 560 million yearly net revenue generation. Our business plan revolves around the idea that we're going to need about $80,000 in startup costs to get our product off. With cost of goods roughly $50 and sale price at $550, we'll need 160 units to break even, or roughly $88,000. Our return on investment analysis, with selling 500 products in the first year at $500 net income, with $80,000 in expenses, we're estimating 312% return on investment. Next year, we plan on selling 1,000, and the year after that, 1,500, until we established ourselves at about 10,000 units per year.
Our company was established in October of 2018. Since then, we've come a long way through multiple competitions. We're currently patent pending on 2 technologies, and we're beginning the process of applying for FDA 510(k) approval.
Our goal is ultimately to reduce the risk of surgery in a global market. By providing and improving on minimally invasive surgery in the global market, we give people the opportunity to have treatments to their surgically preventable illnesses. Our goal at InsuffleX is to improve technology, to improve access, and to improve affordability, to ultimately improve the outcomes associated with a minimally invasive surgery on a global market. Thank you.
Thank you.